Homeowners in Frisco know the importance of balancing style, function, and comfort when it comes to upgrading their living spaces. Among the many home improvements available, professional window installation stands out as a smart investment. High-quality windows do more than brighten your rooms, they actively enhance indoor comfort year-round. Whether you're battling the Texas summer heat or looking to keep your home cozy during cooler months, modern window installation can make a significant difference. Energy efficiency and temperature control. Frisco's climate brings both sweltering summers and chilly winters. Older or poorly fitted windows allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This not only increases energy bills but also creates uneven temperatures in your home. Professional window installation solves this problem. New windows are built with advanced materials and features such as double or triple pane glass, gas fills, and low emissivity, low-E, coatings. These technologies help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your living areas cooler in summer and warmer in winter. The result is consistent comfort, lower energy use, and reduced strain on your heating and cooling systems. Noise reduction for a peaceful home. Frisco is a growing community with bustling neighborhoods, busy streets, and ongoing development. If you've ever been disturbed by outside noise, upgrading your windows can help. Modern windows provide excellent sound insulation thanks to their multi-pane construction and professional sealing during installation. This added noise barrier means you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Whether you're working from home, raising a family, or simply enjoying a relaxing evening, professionally installed windows help create a sanctuary away from outside distractions. Improved air quality and ventilation. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about the quality of the air you breathe. Older windows with gaps or poor seals often let in dust, pollen, and other allergens. For families in Frisco, where seasonal allergies can be a challenge, this can impact daily comfort. New window installations are designed to fit precisely, preventing outdoor pollutants from sneaking in. At the same time, they can be opened with ease for controlled ventilation when you want fresh air circulating indoors. This balance promotes better air quality, making your home healthier and more enjoyable. Natural light without the heat. Natural light brightens your home and lifts your mood, but in Texas, it can also bring unwanted heat and glare. Advanced window options, such as low-E glass, allow plenty of sunlight to enter while filtering out excessive heat and harmful UV rays. With professional installation, you can strategically place and seal your windows to maximize natural lighting while minimizing discomfort. This makes everyday living more pleasant while also protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading over time. Enhanced home value and aesthetic appeal. Comfort extends beyond the physical. It's also about how your home looks and feels. Professionally installed windows add curb appeal and freshen up the look of your interiors. In Frisco's competitive housing market, this upgrade can also increase property value, making it a wise choice if you ever plan to sell. New windows give you the opportunity to choose styles that complement your home's architecture, from sleek modern designs to timeless classics. When done right, window installation elevates both comfort and beauty in a way that lasts for years. Long-term peace of mind. Finally, comfort comes from knowing your home is well protected. Professional window installation ensures a precise fit, proper sealing, and the use of high-quality materials. This reduces the likelihood of future problems such as drafts, leaks, or warping. Many window manufacturers also provide warranties, giving you added confidence in your investment. Instead of worrying about rising energy bills or struggling with outdated frames, you can relax and enjoy a home designed for comfort. Final thoughts. Window installation in Frisco is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's a transformation that impacts your daily living. From consistent indoor temperatures and reduced noise to improved air quality and enhanced natural light, the benefits are undeniable. By choosing professional installation, homeowners can achieve a more comfortable, efficient, and stylish home. If you're ready to enjoy the year-round comfort that modern windows bring, now is the perfect time to explore your options. A small change can deliver a big difference, making your Frisco home a place where comfort truly comes first.